Hey, another hot day here at the shop. Yes, we do have air conditioning here, but it's just not working at the moment. So hopefully they'll get somebody out here soon to see what's up. But other than that, you keep pushing on. So I'm just chilling here in the chair. Been a long day. And all y'all know here that we've been trying to make a mad dash to get this car ready for power tour. And we're getting close. Each day's a step closer. And it's almost to the point now my little hairs on my arm are wanting to start to stand up now. But I had my son with me here yesterday, and he actually came in and helped me for a little bit, old Big E. And he turned around and fabricated a little panel there to close up the glove box area. And appreciate him doing that. I've got the shifter now solidly mounted to the car where I want it at. Got the fire extinguisher mounted. So we're good with that. But I went and double checked my wiring today behind the dash, make sure everything's good to go. And it's done. I'm going to have some letters made, or some little things made for all the switches. Right now, I've just got them written out what they are. And but it's almost that time, man. You know, the other day you saw the transmission sitting up on the table, and one of the guys, man, I know he was joking with me, but man, I don't need any bad juju right now. He said that transmission won't make it 500 miles, and I knew he was just screwing with me. But at the same time, I was like, man, I don't need no hoodoo voodoo stuff going on. This car's got to do about 2,000 miles plus me breaking it in before we even leave. So anyway, been here tinkering, getting stuff together, getting some stuff bolted on the motor. And the motor's not on the engine stand anymore. Means they're getting closer. So anyway, Tony buttoned up the transmission last night. And I got a couple of things I got to do right now. I've got to get the shift selector arm on there. I'll probably do that in the morning. We're also going to need, he says he's got one at the house, a block off plate for the Speedo, because I'm not going to be running a Speedo. But I've got my cable bracket in for my shifter. And, like I said, the motor's no longer on the engine stand. So now I've got it mated to the transmission. And I've got my starter on. Torque converter and everything's done, ready to go, tightened up. Pulleys are on. Still waiting on a couple of bolts for the water pump. Tony's gonna make some adjustment on the alternator bracket. And he's gonna be doing that at home on his drill press. I got the motor mount brackets on. Everything's bolted up together. Now, the one thing I am waiting on for Tony, I mean, I can go ahead and technically stick this thing in the car right now, but it'd be easier on him. He still needs to tap out this bolt here for the exhaust. So I'm gonna leave it up in the air until he gets that done. And I was wanting to get it in today, but like I said, they didn't take care of that. So it'll probably be tomorrow. We'll get this bad boy down in the car and hopefully start plumbing everything in to it. And you never know, maybe by tomorrow night this thing might be running. So anyway, appreciate it. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay tuned. See what happens tomorrow night. And I'll see you down the road.